There is so much snow. It is crazy. And then we got the beautiful CN Tower in the background on a beautiful clear day with snow everywhere. Little birdies. Piles of snow everywhere. I have not seen this much snow in a long, long time. And I hope to never see it again. Well, I shouldn't say never, because of course if I'm living in Canada, I will see it, but not to this extent. Like, we got fucking walloped. 24 hours of snow. It was pretty bad. But the skies are beautiful now, clear blue and cold. So wherever you are in the world, wishing you much love, peace, safety, happiness, and if you're someplace cold, stay warm. Cause it's fucking cold. I think it's like -20 or something. I don't know what the hell I'm doing out. I've got errands to run. Like I always say, the world doesn't stop, life doesn't stop just because the weather is shit. So it is what it is. Let's go.